For homeowners seeking custom cabinet design installation Sterling Heights MI, the right plan starts with function, style, and room-specific storage. Cabinet design services in Sterling Heights, Michigan help families create custom kitchen cabinets. Sterling Heights, practical bathroom storage, and tailored built-ins that match daily routines. From homes near Dodge Park, Sterling Heights, to neighborhoods surrounding Utica Road, Sterling Heights, a trusted cabinet maker, Sterling Heights MI, can deliver cabinet layout planning. Sterling Heights that improves traffic flow, organization, and visual appeal. Whether the goal is luxury custom cabinetry, Sterling Heights, Macomb County, or affordable cabinet installation, Sterling Heights MI, smart design creates value in every room. Kitchen upgrades benefit most from expert kitchen cabinet design. Sterling Heights, paired with precision cabinet installation. Sterling Heights. Sterling Heights MI kitchen cabinet designers often recommend modern kitchen cabinets in Sterling Heights MI, shaker cabinet installation Sterling Heights, and semi-custom kitchen cabinetry. Sterling Heights, Macomb County MI, for a clean, timeless look. Homeowners near Lakeside Mall. Sterling Heights frequently choose custom kitchen cabinets, Sterling Heights with pantry cabinet design installation, Sterling Heights and cabinet hardware installation, Sterling Heights to maximize usability. Wood cabinet installation, Sterling Heights, cabinet replacement Sterling Heights, and cabinet upgrade services. Sterling Heights can transform outdated kitchens into efficient gathering spaces with better storage, brighter finishes, and improved resale appeal. Pantry organization is one of the most requested upgrades, and pantry cabinet design installation. Sterling Heights creates dedicated storage for food, small appliances, and kitchen overflow. Sterling Heights MI custom pantry cabinet builders design full-height units, pull-out shelves, deep drawers, and integrated organizers that maximize every inch. Near Clinton River, Sterling Heights, wood kitchen cabinet installation near Clinton River, Sterling Heights is often paired with pantry expansion to improve kitchen efficiency and visual consistency. Whether included in custom cabinet design, Sterling Heights MI, or as a standalone improvement, pantry storage supports cleaner counters, better accessibility, and a more organized home for families throughout Sterling Heights. Built-in storage enhances underused areas and built-in cabinet solutions. Sterling Heights are ideal for living rooms, mudrooms, entryways, and hallways. Built-in cabinet installation near Van Dyke Avenue. Sterling Heights is especially popular in homes that need more concealed storage without sacrificing floor space. A cabinet design consultation Sterling Heights can identify opportunities for storage cabinet design. Sterling Heights that blends seamlessly with walls, flooring, and trim. From entertainment centers to reading nooks and display cabinets, Sterling Heights home cabinet remodeling services give homeowners custom storage that looks intentional, increases organization, and supports both traditional and contemporary interiors throughout Macomb County. Laundry spaces become far more efficient with laundry room cabinets. Sterling Heights designed for supplies, linens, baskets, and folding surfaces. Laundry room cabinet design installation. Sterling Heights. Michigan often includes upper cabinets, utility storage, and durable finishes that resist everyday wear. Residential cabinet installers. Sterling Heights can pair cabinet hardware and trim installation Sterling Heights with semi-custom cabinets. Sterling Heights to create a room that feels finished instead of purely functional. For busy households in Sterling Heights, MI, cabinet layout planning Sterling Heights in laundry rooms improves workflow, reduces clutter, and adds value through attractive, practical storage tailored to available square footage. Garage organization is easier with garage cabinet installation. Sterling Heights that converts open walls into secure, efficient storage zones. Garage storage cabinet installers. Sterling Heights MI frequently designs systems for tools, seasonal items, sports gear, lawn equipment, and workshop supplies. A cabinet design contractor near Utica Road, Sterling Heights, can recommend built-in cabinet solutions. Sterling Heights or cabinet replacement Sterling Heights for damaged shelving and outdated units. Homeowners looking for affordable cabinet installation. Sterling Heights, MI, often choose durable materials and practical cabinet upgrade services. Sterling Heights to keep garages cleaner, safer, and easier to navigate while boosting the functionality of the entire property. Home offices need storage that supports productivity, and home office cabinets. Sterling Heights provide organized space for files, electronics, books, and daily essentials. Home office custom cabinets. Sterling Heights, MI are especially useful in multi-purpose rooms, where clean lines and hidden storage improve concentration and reduce visual clutter. A cabinet maker. Sterling Heights MI can build wood cabinet design installation. Sterling Heights features such as desks, shelving towers, and printer cabinets that match the home's existing finishes. For residents across Sterling Heights, MI, and Macomb County, built-in cabinet solutions Sterling Heights create workspaces that feel custom, professional, and comfortable for remote work, study, or creative projects. When cabinets are structurally sound but visually outdated, cabinet refacing Sterling Heights MI offers a cost-effective alternative to full replacement. A cabinet refacing company in Sterling Heights, Macomb County can update doors, drawer fronts, veneers, and cabinet hardware installation Sterling Heights without changing the overall footprint. This approach works well for homeowners who like their cabinet layout planning Sterling Heights, but want a fresh appearance through shaker-style cabinet installation Sterling Heights MI, modern cabinet remodeling Sterling Heights, or updated finishes. Cabinet renovation Sterling Heights and cabinet upgrade services. Sterling Heights can deliver a dramatic transformation faster than a complete remodel while preserving existing functionality.